the floor like me.
She's the girl that makes the thing that holds the oil, that oils the ring, that takes the shank, that moves the crank, that works the thingamabob. It's a thingamabob of job, making a thing for a thingamabob. Especially when you find out or make some more.
And you thought we just made telebob.
No, Molly, I did not make a rude noise. Yep, and to think it all happened because I made the couch. Oh, boy. Woo, 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 woo! Woo! Sometimes when I'm full of energy, I eat. Hey! I just love to find so much stiff, empty, jumping jelly beans inside the couch. Why don't I take everything out? Well, I think that's just about it. Oh, wait. Just one more thing. You guessed it. The old kitchen sink. There, Molly. The couch is now empty.
Except for one man's ass. He's racing and pacing and fighting and fighting and riding on her moon. Earthquakes, bow shakes as fast as the sun.
Sunny came in my eyes, hypnotized the kitten. Sat down in the box of tools. Sunny says, hey, dry wind, dry wind. Oh, Jesus.
Once upon a time, there was a silly little clown named Corky. His sister used to sneak juice into the fridge, and although Corky didn't notice it, she was a ginger. What?
Fly away.
And that, Molly, is the end of Corky the Clown.